that motor even going?
Don't you get a seat? No seat for you?
Yeah, I get to lean back. Alright, hello everyone. My name's Sarah. I'm your driver for the next 40 minutes or so, and this is Melissa. She's coming along today as well. So, so I'll aim to just sort of get up close to the sides of the fjord and try and point out some things that I think might be of interest along the way. So if you've got any particular questions about anything, just give me a shout and I'll do my best to answer them. So other than that, and if you want to take any photos of anything, just let me know and I'll stop the boat and you can stand up and get a better view or something. But otherwise, in general, just stay seated while I'm driving. So can I find out where everyone else is from? Oh, I'm from down here, by the way. I live in Manapuri at the moment.
We're from Australia.
Australia? Yeah.
From the US.
Yeah. Whereabouts?
Colorado.
Colorado? Yeah.
UK.
Yeah.
UK.
Australia.
Go home!
Kentucky.
Holland.
Holland.
Germany.
Germany? Yeah.
And Denmark.
Denmark.
So we have the European side.
Yes.
Brexit. Oh yes, Brexit. Yes. This side,
You did not vote for Trump.
That's good.
Oh, then I'm not.
Okay, Google.
What's interesting is that boat seems to be a motor sailor, as in they don't use the sails, but they seem to be able to be made to function. Otherwise, they put a lot of effort into them being there for no reason at all. So I'm guessing that in theory it can sail. I didn't actually hear an anchor chain drop.
Yeah, so if you like, I'll just take the boat around this way and take some photos of the navigator.
It's curious they haven't lowered the other tender at the moment. I would have thought they would have lowered both tenders. I just thought there would have been SOP, standard operating procedure, before the kayaks go in the water. Some of the brave souls out there in the kayak. Rather them than me.
I'm glad she.
We should be able to find our way back. Apparently we've got about 15 navigators on the boat, so just looking at the life jackets that people are wearing. Apparently this has got a 115 horsepower Honda engine.
Probably one of the first things that you'll notice about the water is that it's very dark. And the reason for that is because of the tannins which stain it that dark colour, and that's because of the high amount of rainfall that we have in Fiordland. So we get between 7 to 9 metres of rain here per year. For the Americans, someone told me that from San Francisco told me that they get half a metre a year. Does that sound about right? So here it's like 9 metres. So as it's raining, as it comes through the trees, it picks up the tannin from the vegetation and it stains it that dark brown colour. And then, because there's so much of it, it sits on top of the seawater as a fresh water layer, and the two don't tend to mix.
What sort of depth is that?
What's that? Yeah, so there's not very much movement in the fjord.
How deep is the fresh water?
It ranges in depth depending on the amount of rainfall. On average, probably about 5 metres deep, but it can be much
How
more.
much will that be fresh?
Yeah, so the freshwater layer is around about 5 metres deep. So, yeah. Yeah, but it does vary depending on the rainfall. Sometimes it can be very little. So just directly ahead of us across. The bow's pointing towards the forest, and there's a really nice example of one of the beautiful trees in our Fiordland forest. It's that bright green colour at the top of the sort of rising above the canopy, and it has kind of droopy branches. That's the rimu tree, and it's a type of puttered, so from the pine family. It has needle-like leaves, and it's the tallest tree in the Fiordland forest down here. So the rimu tree was really the timber of the rimu was really highly valued in the 20th century, used a lot in housing, furniture, that sort of thing, but now it's protected by law, so you can only use it as recycled rimu. Another interesting little fact about the rimu tree is that when Captain Cook was down in Doubtful Sound, so just fjords a little bit further south, he actually used the leaves of the rimu tree to brew New Zealand's first beer. And so yeah, and that was not only for the usual qualities of beer, but also had medicinal properties as well, because he thought it would help to ward off scurvy in his men who'd been at sea for a long time.